Hello, welcome to Bailey. My name is Sienna. My name is Julia. And today we're making pho for 10 to 12 serving.
สวัสดีพวกมาบองปอนทางนี้ยำแนมโกนยำทัวกระเตียวนั่นกระเตียวนั่นเกทัวไฮสไลด์ไอ้นักนงกระปงปีดับตัวปีดับเนี่ยหก
You will need 4 cans of beef broth.
ให้เต้ากาบวนกระปงตึกซุปกระเตียว
4 cans of chicken broth.
บวนกระปงตึกซุปม้อน
4 cans of water, but you use the chicken broth cans.
ให้บวนกระปงตึกให้เต้ากาปลาจะมวยกระปงซุปม้อน
3 tablespoons of fish sauce.
ให้ใบสลับเปรี้ยตึกไตร
2 tablespoons of sugar.
and ใบสลับเปรี้ยสกอสลับเปรี้ยกาแฟ
And 2 teaspoons salt.
ให้หนึ่งปีสลับเปรี้ยกาแฟบัล
And then for the meat, you will need 2 packs of meatballs.
ให้ตากาปีกระจับปะฮัดโกหรือมวยปะฮัดจุกบองปอนโจจัดปะฮัดมวยนะ
2 pounds of any kind of beef. You can use sliced beef or you can slice it yourself.
ให้ปีพาวน์ใส่โกจัดสนับสนุน
2 pounds of shrimp, any kind of size shrimp you want.
and ปีพาวน์ปะเกียสัน
Cooked shrimp. And then an option is 1 can of quail eggs, any kind.
ให้นั่งบองปอนโจจัดปองคลุ้มบองปอนโจจัดปองคลุ้มบองปอนอาดะปองคลุ้มบาน
This is the quail egg.
นั่งปองคลุ้มบองปอนโจจัดบองปอนดะบองปอนมันโจจัดใบดะ
And for the noodles and vegetables, you need a bag. You could use these small bags for 1 pound. You will need 6 of them.
บองปอนติงกระเตียวตู้กระจับตู้ตราวกาปมวยกระจับ
And you can use this 10-pound bag and use 6 pounds of it.
อันนี้บองปอนติงทอมไปเท้าเจียงกระจับทอม
It depends if you want more or less.
บองปอนหอบติ๊กเดือหอบชรานั่งซีซองโดยกรมครัวซา
1.5 pound of bean sprouts.
ให้ยังตราวกาสไลด์ไปดมาพาวน์กันละ
If you want, you can add 2-3 jalapenos.
ให้ตราวกามาเต้ปีดมวยกับใบมาเต้พลาวเคียวบอหอมเม็กซิกัน
Half of medium onion and slice it into pieces.
ให้เปียกกระดาษกับเติมกระหอมกระเติมซอสจังนะให้หนึ่งจัดเวตุย
1 bun of chopped green onion.
มาดมสักเติม
And 1 bun of chopped cilantro.
ให้มาดมจีบันซุยให้ยังจัดตุย
And 3 lemon or lime, and you have to cut them.
ให้กรอยมาจูกรอยเมนใบบองปอนอยู่เคี้ยวกับบ้านด้วยมือเรื่องกับบ้าน
And this is our first time making this much. Normally we only use half of the ingredients.
อันนี้เลยตีมวยได้ขยมมันโกนเธอมาดอปีดอกเนี่ยโฮบไปม้วนเธอแต่ประมวยเนี่ยโฮบ
You'll also need a pot.
ให้ตราวกาชนังมวย
And then 1 bundle of Thai Basil.
อันนั้นชีกระหอมตราวกามาได้มากรับให้เนาะสไลด์กระดองอันนั้นตราวกามาพาวน์กันละ
This is bean sprouts. 1.5 pound of bean sprouts. And now we're gonna pour it into a pot. Again.
โอเคแล้วโกนยำอะไรเนี่ยโกนยำจักตึกกระเตียวม้วนตึกกระเตียวได้เกทัวร์ให้นะน้อง
Now I'm pouring the beef broth in.
จักเลยโจเต้าจักตั้งออโจpour all together Come over here and have your sister. Put all the chicken, everything, chicken broth.
Now for the chicken broth in.
Chicken
And
broth.
then if you didn't get what the water in the chicken broth can is when you dump the chicken broth and then put water in it.
Bong ôn tao thua mà hộp mấy cái này tao thua súp cho mấy cái này.
Let's go cook together.
Haiទឹកត្រីអំបិលនិងស្ករបន្តិចទៀតចាំខ្ញុំប្រាប់ពេលភ្លក់ហើយខ្ញុំនឹងប្រាប់ឲ្យត្រាវថាដាក់ប្រមាណ
And after we're done cooking, we for the fish sauce, salt and sugar, and we're gonna tell you how much to put exactly. And let's go cook. Now we're gonna cook it or boil it on a high heat. Now we're putting 3 tablespoons of fish sauce.
and then 2 teaspoons of salt inside there already ហើយនេះឥឡូវខ្ញុំដាក់2ស្លាបព្រាកាហ្វេអំបិលហើយឥឡូវខ្ញុំដាក់3ស្លាបព្រាបាយទឹកត្រីហើយខ្ញុំដាក់ស្ករនៅក្នុងនឹងហើយអស់ហើយល្មមដែរខ្ញុំប្រាប់បងប្អូននៅក្នុង recipe ហ្នឹង
We've already put 2 tablespoons of sugar and it tastes really good.
and ឥឡូវហ្នឹងយើងត្រូវការឆ្នាំងមួយដាក់ទឹកឲ្យវាពុះហើយយើងធ្វើកាទៀវ
You will need another pot and fill it up with water for the noodles. So we boiled this for about 20 minutes.
ឥឡូវខ្ញុំធ្វើស៊ុបហ្នឹង20នាទីហើយឥឡូវខ្ញុំធ្វើកាទៀវ
Now we're making the noodles. You'll need a drainer to put the noodles in so the noodles won't go everywhere. And you need like some chopsticks so you can swirl it around and let it cook. It'll cook for about 10 seconds. 5 to 10 seconds.
and took the price 10 seconds ឥឡូវដាក់នេះចូលក្នុងស៊ុប
Then you put the green onions stem in the soup. The noodles should cook pretty fast.
and the meatball too
Then you're putting the meatballs in the soup as well.
បងប្អូនញ៉ាំប៉ុន្មានក៏ដាក់ប៉ុណ្ណឹង
You can put as many meatballs as you want to eat.
until the meatball was float is done
Until the meatball floats, it's done. And now the noodles are done. And then you're going to put it in a bowl. So we put some quail eggs in and let it cook or like be hot for a little bit. And then your noodles are done. And then you put the soup in.
ហើយសាច់គោខ្ញុំដាក់ឲ្យវាឆ្អិនបន្តិច
For the beef, we're going to let it cook for a little bit. It cooks really fast.
ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំដាក់នេះហ្នឹងឲ្យបងប្អូនមើល
So we're going to add the onions, cilantro, and green onion.
ហើយនឹងម្រេច
And pepper.
ហើយនឹងខ្ទឹមបំពង
Fried garlic.
ឥឡូវនេះយើងដុតទឹកស៊ុបដាក់
Now we're adding the soup and meatballs in.
ហើយបងប្អូនចង់ហូបប្រហិតប្រមាណក៏ដាក់ប៉ុណ្្នឹងទៅ
You can add
បងប្អូន
You can add as much meatballs as you want. So now we have everything in here. We have the Thai basil, the bean sprouts, the shrimp, meatballs, pork, and quail eggs. And the noodles are under this. And we have the hoisin sauce and the sriracha for the dip.
អូខេឥឡូវហើយបងប្អូនហូបជាមួយខ្ញុំទាំងអស់គ្នា
Bye.
ជម្រាបលា